Today I'm making chocolate chip chipwiches with a chocolate filling. First I'm going to make the filling, so I have 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and 4 ounces of softened butter in a bowl. Mix it up until everything is smooth. Then add 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder and mix that up. Next add 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Then add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Mix that up until it's well combined. Now I have some thin chocolate chip cookies on a board and I added the filling into a piping bag. I'm going to add a swirl of the filling on one chocolate chip cookie and then sandwich it with another chocolate chip cookie on top. Then just repeat the process with the rest of the cookies. Now I have some mini chocolate chips in a bowl and I'm going to add the chocolate chips around the cookie. Here's an up-close look at the chocolate chip cookie chipwiches with chocolate filling.